Good morning, friends. I wanted to take a second and kind of explain this project because when I was watching your screens on Monday, it looked like some of you didn't exactly understand how to do it. So I just wanted to explain how to move through it. This project is going to be a 90% grade, but it's going to be due later in the semester. I'm hoping this is something we can kind of work on over the course of several days. So it's about time management, and I sort of designed it to be um, your own thing. Like you can go as slow as you want, or you can go as fast as you want. Um, the only thing is you need to complete it. You have to do all the things in all of the boxes. So you have to start with step one. And anytime you see a little blue link like this one, you can click it and then you click the link and it will take you to where you're supposed to go. This is our class chat. So if you've got questions while you're working through it, you can click that and text me. This is the very first video that you're supposed to watch on vocabulary. You need to make sure that you sign in with Google. And then after you've watched the time management video, there's some vocabulary words that you're supposed to go through. And so plan is one of them. And then you would type in the rest of the words like schedule. Then says type all the words from the list that you've heard before, but you don't know what they mean. So estimate might be a word that you've not heard before. You might have heard another word like prioritize. Okay, so really you are just writing, you're dividing the words from the lesson into ones you know, right here, ones you have heard but you don't know here, and then words that you're like, I have no idea, Miss will figure what that is. And then step two is what did you learn? So then you're going to tell me what you think the main idea of the video is. Like, what is it trying to teach you? So really, that's just one sentence, what you think the main idea is. And I sort of got you started with a sentence here. These activities are on the same, the read and respond and the time management quiz. Those are both in the same exact place as the vocabulary video. So here you'll watch the video. Then here's your vocab cards. Those are where you're going to get all those words that you know or don't know. Okay. You're welcome to play the vocab game if you want. It's kind of fun. You need headphones for that. Then you do the read and respond. And then you take the quiz. Okay. Then application. You're going to make your own to-do list. So in the vocab video, they have a spot where they make a to-do list that looks almost exactly like this. So you are going to come up with all the things you have to do every day and about how long it takes you. And that's all you have to do. Okay. Then, are you more busy or less busy than other kids in your class? So this survey is to see how busy are you? Like, do you have a lot of things on this to-do list or do you have not very many? And how long does that take you? And some of you are involved in sports and stuff. Some of you help watch your little brothers and sisters. So this little survey is to show kind of how busy you all are as kids. And then step 4, you're going to start talking about procrastination. It's a really long word. You possibly don't know what it means. Guess what you can do? Click it. And then right here is a kid-friendly definition of procrastination. It's where you basically, you need to do something right now, but you don't. You decide, you make a choice to wait to do something. And it's usually something you really don't want to do, and you wait until the very last possible second to do it. Everyone does this sometimes, but some people do it more than others, which you will learn in this video here. So here you're explaining, do you think it's okay to procrastinate? Do you think it's okay to put things off until the last minute? And then here, Tim Urban, he's a really smart and successful guy, but he has had a real problem with procrastination in his life. So you'll actually click here and it'll take you to Edpuzzle. Make sure you sign in with Google. You'll watch the video and there's all these questions. Remember to write in a complete sentence. Don't just answer questions with a yes or a no. And then the very last thing you do after you've watched that video is you need to describe how procrastination, and the video tells you what short-term procrastination is and long-term, and describe kind of how it's affected your life, or if it has affected your life. I need 3 sentences no matter what. Okay, so you can say procrastination has affected my life because whatever. Don't write that. That's what I wrote. Just an example. So also procrastination has not affected my life. So if you're someone who does stuff immediately, then you're not a procrastinator. You're not someone who does that. So this is the whole project, start to finish. It definitely should not take one class period only, and you definitely should not start in the middle. And if you've got questions, remember this link is right up here to text me. Okay, but you shouldn't have any problems. And it should actually be interesting to you because it's applicable directly to your life and how you manage your own time. It's something that affects all of us forever and always. I hope that you all have an excellent rest of your day today. I'll be out tomorrow as well. Work hard, ask questions if you have them, be nice to your substitutes. And that's it. See you all later.